Hello everyone. The video shows an original easy slightly open worked stretchy knit. This beautiful texture is thanks to 2 yarn over loops and the long loops they form. The scheme consists of 6 loops and 4 rows. In the sample, the number of loops is a multiple of 6 plus 2 for symmetry and 2 edge stitches. We start from the wrong side. Row 1 is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is knit 2, yarn over, knit 2 together with a slope to the right, knit 2 together with a slope to the left, yarn over, again, knit 2, yarn over, knit 2 together facing right, knit 2 together facing left, yarn over, row 2 is on the right side. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is purl 2, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, again, purl 2, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over. Row 3 is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is knit 2, drop 1, slip 1. The thread is in front. Purl 2, drop 1, slip 1. Again, knit 2, drop 1, slip 1. The thread is in front. Purl 2, drop 1, slip 1. Row 4 is on the right side. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is purl 2, slip 1. The thread is behind. Knit 2, slip 1. Again, purl 2, slip 1. The thread is behind. Knit 2, slip 1. I've shown you how to make a unique, simple elastic knit with an intriguing texture and lovely relief. You may knit an item of apparel for each season with this technique. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications never to miss a video. I hope that you found inspiration for your next knitting project. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon.